What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we're looking at a 2020 Jeep Wrangler JL that we just got done lifting. So if you guys are looking to get your Jeep built, you should take a look at what we did to this one and hope it gives you some inspiration to what you should do with yours. To start off, we're going to have the lift kit, which is going to be a 2.5-inch rough country suspension lift. So with the new JLs, you don't have to lift it with a 3.5-inch lift to fit the same wheel and tire package, which is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is a step down from the mud terrain tire, which is more like a hybrid tire. So this one's still going to give you the aggressive look of the mud terrain with the aggressive sidewall and that thicker tread, but it's also going to give you the performance of an on-road tire, more like an all-terrain tire, which is going to give you a longer tread life and that more the quieter ride. Down here we have a 22x12 fuel runner. So this is one of their newer wheels, and that comes in a couple different finishes: the gloss black and milled, chrome, as well as a candy red and milled. So we got a couple different looks, as well as many different sizes, from like a 20x9 and all the way up to a 26x14. So there's plenty of different options. However, with this wheel, you're going to have that -44 offset, but this one's going to feature the concave and deep dish look. So you're going to have about a 3.5–4 inch lip from the end of the spokes to the lip. So that does create that deep dish look. But also the spokes on this one do kind of go more concave as you get towards the center of the center cap, which gives it that concave look. And so with that offset, you're also going to have about 4 inches of poke past your fenders to get a nice wider stance. This one is going to have that directional look, and it really features some natural looking spokes, which gives it a really unique look. This one's also going to feature the open lugs, so you can run spiked lug nuts on this wheel if you choose to do so. Another part of this wheel is that it's going to be overall very clean design, with the lip going way past the spokes, so that helps create that clean look, as well as the pretty much clean edge of the wheel as well, with fuel only being etched to the there instead of having all those rivets. So overall, this is a really good looking Jeep with everything that we added on it. So if you guys are looking to do the same exact build to your vehicle, we can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs. Make sure you check out our 0% financing option, so you can go ahead and get your Jeep built now, but pay later and go ahead and just enjoy it.